Hello viewers, this is JustFake Network TV, a place where you can get the latest information about Nigerian news and out the news in details. You are dragging APC to brink of collapse. Buhari's ex-aide slams Oshiomhole. The former head of President Muhammadu Buhari, Kaka Sumaila, has expressed some misgivings certain developments unfolding in the All Progressive Congress APC. In his opinion, while he spoke with journalists in Kano State on Tuesday, September 22nd, Sumaila urged the APC's caretaker committee to investigate the crisis that has rocked the party since 2019 and sanction those responsible for it, the Cable report. He noted, "I believe that it is high time the APC looked inward and bring all those who caused the party into disrepute to book. They should pay for their misdeed, and this should be from 2019 to date. Anybody who does not go with the party's position should seek relevant legal attention." The former presidential aide also slammed Adams Oshiomhole, the former national chairman of the ruling party, and accused him of dragging the APC to the brink of implosion. Even more, Sumaila berated the Imo governor, Hope Uzodinma, for alleging ranting and boasting on his knowledge of the ruling party. Sumaila claimed that Uzodinma did not even know when the APC was formed and thus has very limited information on the origins of the party. Sumaila said Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma ranting was nothing but unjust, because in the first place the governor lacked knowledge of how and why APC was formed and he cannot speak for it. Hope Uzodinma was not there when APC struggled in all its campaign, and I have never seen him following President Buhari anywhere during the campaign, so he lacks knowledge of what APC stands for and he cannot speak for it. Obeseki said he would not chase Oshiomhole out as the former APC national chairman threatened him. Obeseki said he would, however, show no mercy if Oshiomhole continued to constitute nuisance by unleashing his lions. Wow, so viewers, what do you think about this? You know, this guy actually said the truth. The fact is that Oshiomhole is one of the people that are spoiling and destroying the APC administration, trust me. And here he was talking about Hope Uzodinma. You know, everything that he said about Hope Uzodinma is true. Because Hope Uzodinma never know the beginning of APC. He never know when they started the formation of this APC development. So he doesn't have the right to start it, to destroy APC organization. But the question is, what did the president know when Oshiomhole was removed that he did not know before 2019 elections? But his own elections was at stake, so all was well until they secured the second term. And it is so sad that the obvious is blank to even the most astute. Because the reality is that by 2023, APC will not be a platform that can win any election in Nigeria. APC will turn to Iraq. I'm telling you the truth. APC will turn to Iraq with the things that is going on. And to Asiwaju, all due respect, if he remains in APC beyond June 2021, his career, his political, whatever, would definitely suffer irreversible, from which it will never return again. I'm telling you, that is just the reality about it. This APC-led administration, may God help us. So many things is wrong in this administration. And as far as Hope Uzodinma is concerned, he doesn't know the foundation of the APC development. He doesn't know when they started the development. So he doesn't have any right to start bringing out his own affairs into APC issue. And Hope Uzodinma is a loafer, a strange bird that incubates on the eggs he did not lay. You know, he just incubates on something that he doesn't even have anything about. He can always bribe his way and get reward from the back door. He should be despised, not venerated. Not even venerated at all. Despite his acclaimed wizardry and witchcraft and also many, despite his activities in Imo State and everything, what happened? Even in Edo State, Oshiomhole was roundly disgraced at the poll last Saturday. If you see what happened, you will be ashamed of APC administration. You will be ashamed. Oshiomhole is no longer chair to rebuild the party if he felt it was the problem. But at the same time, APC as a party, the members are the problems also because of their selfish demonic interests, because of their selfish interests. The members also added to the issues that is going on in APC administration. I'm telling you. But may God help us. May God help us. Now it's not a big shame on Oshiomhole and his crew. The mistake that APC made was to put Hope Uzodinma and even Oshiomhole on the forefront of their campaign. They wouldn't have done that. When they know that many Nigerians do not like Hope Uzodinma and Adams Oshiomhole, they wouldn't have put such a person in front. And these are the people that doesn't believe in democracy. Then winning through all this aki-panky game. They just want to win in a very bad way, in a rough way. But look at what happened in Edo State. Who won the vote? Obeseki eventually won the vote after all their evil atrocity. But the reality still boils down to the fact that the hard truth is that APC has lost value, irrelevant in the eyes of many Nigerians. They've lost their value. They've lost their integrity. And they cannot win in an election in Nigeria. When it comes to free and fair pool, they can't win. And it's even a big shame on Nigerian government right now. It's a big shame on them. Look at what is going on. Many Nigerians know that APC is nothing to write home about anymore. May God help us. So viewers, what do you think about this? What is your own take? Kindly drop your comments at the comment section below. For those who subscribe, we want to say a very big thank you to you for subscribing. We say God bless you. If you're yet to do so, kindly press the subscription button below. And also please don't forget to press the notification button so that whenever we upload news, you will definitely be the first person to always watch our video anytime, any day. Thank you so much for always being there for us. We appreciate you. We say God bless you. Thank you so much. Always stay safe. It is very important to you, and it's also important to us as well. Thank you. Have a lovely day once again. Bye.